Welcome back, girls. Create extra volume. Grab the sides of your hair and tie it in the middle and do the twisted pattern. And grab a little section of the hair on the right and tie it with the rubber band and drop it in the left loop, but it should be near the rubber band. And comb the remaining part of your hair a bit and tie another rubber band in the top middle part. Have extra volume and comb it even more further. Then drop the hole into the right side of the loop. Then with the remaining part of your hair, swirl it clockwise and stuff the tips inside the bun. Secure that with a long black hair clip. Create some volume and drop in some cute hair clips of your choice. Go for a ponytail, and at the end of that, have another rubber band tied in the middle and have a loop and drop the ends into it. Now release some clutches of hair by pinching them out and make the remaining part of the hair swirl inside and stuff the tips and attach it to the hair and drop in some hair clips at the right side and one on the left. Then release them here and have a bit of volume to it. Now add in your favorite cute hair clips of your choice and attach it on the either side of the buns. Grab the sides of your hair, tie it in the middle and do the twisted pattern, and with the remaining part of your hair, braid it all the way from top to bottom in a very thick manner with two parts. Then completely swirl it in a clockwise manner and stuff the tips inside. Add some volume and add a pretty tight clip of your choice. On your ponytail, have a rubber band and tie it in the bottom middle part of that and have a loop and drop in the tips inside. This time, we have to move it downwards and using the tips, cover the rubber band by swirling it. Then have one more rubber band securing that. Hold it firm and have a big hair clutcher and do it in the middle. Adjust them. On your ponytail, grab a rubber band and this time tie it in the middle part. Now create a volume by having a loop and drop the remaining part of your hair inside, making a twist. And do the same at the very end of your hair, but this time stuff the ends into one loop of the main rubber band. Now have a volume and drop the ends into that. Now drop it upwards. Now to secure that in place, have a long hair clip and of course your beautiful hair clips of your choice. Grab the sides of your hair, tie it in the middle and do that twisted pattern again. Then drop the right section of your hair completely into the left, but this time very near to the left of the rubber band. Now with the remaining part of your hair, braid it with 3 sections of it. Now make it attached to the right bottom of the buns we created by folding it down halfwards. Then to hold the tips into place, have a long hair clips of your choice. That is the black color one, and of course your beautiful hair clip, which is the bigger one. Make your hair loose and using your index finger, do a roll of hair, then stuff the tip inside, then insert a long hair clip. Have your ponytail divided into 2 sections and twist it completely. Then have it swirl over and the opposite side respectively and do it one more time and securing at the bottom. Then have a hair clip of your choice and attach it. On your long hair, make a loop using a long hair clip and twist it. Do it 180 degrees and attach it from right to left. Thank you girls for watching this video.